Call ChemDry of the Southwest at 970-259-9046.
What's the difference between ChemDry and steam cleaners? Typical steam cleaning relies on chemical-based cleaning solutions using soaps or detergents that leave behind a dirt-attracting residue, causing your carpets to look dirty soon after they're cleaned and possibly causing damage to carpet fibers over time. ChemDry uses the power of carbonation and a natural cleaning solution to safely and efficiently remove dirt and grime from carpets, so your carpets stay cleaner longer. Most steam cleaners use gallons of soapy water along with a high-pressure application that drive buckets of water down to the backing and pad of the carpet, resulting in long dry times and creating a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and bacteria. ChemDry's process uses about 80% less water, which is kinder to the planet, and a lower pressure application, allowing you to have clean, dry carpets in 1 to 2 hours instead of 1 to 2 days. Our green certified cleaning solution, The Natural, is safe for carpets and non-toxic, so it's also safe for kids and pets. Why does all of this matter? Because ChemDry isn't just focused on cleaning your carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Our mission is to leave you and your family with a healthier, happier home. ChemDry. We clean for your health like no one else.
Call ChemDry of the Southwest 970-259-9046 for all your cleaning and restoration needs.